How's it going, guys? We have a 031 AV electronic steel. It's missing a pull starter, gas cap, has the air filter cover here on it. It's also missing the bar nuts, the bar, and the side cover, but it has awesome spark and compression. So I'm really thinking that this saw would be a good candidate to put back together. Now, the trick is that I've learned is when you go online, take a picture of your saw, because that way you can compare picture to picture. If I was to compare this color of the saw as I'm looking at it right now to what I'm finding on eBay, so I can find one that kind of has the same age and patina to it, it's not really going to work. So if I can look at a picture of a saw and compare it to a picture of a part, I can see, hey, these are the same. This will work. It'll match up really great. But they may not look like they match up comparing this color that you're seeing right now to what you're seeing online. So it's always good. I usually pull a picture up on my phone and then I look it up on the computer. It's the best way to do it. But yeah. It also looks like it needs a clutch because the clutch does not want to spin independently from the drum. Or the drum doesn't want to spin freely. So we will have to take that apart. You usually put a dot of grease on those needle bearings in there. And when that grease gets old, it just gets gummed up. And all that old bar and chain oil and whatever it's probably in there, all gummed it up. So yeah. I got this one I don't know, a year and a half ago. It's just been sitting on my shelf ever since. I want to do something with it. I just didn't realize that it actually had spark. I really never checked. So I found out it had spark, and we'll go over that when I get parts in for it. And we'll go to put it back together. We'll do a live stream putting it back together. But yeah, go check out my other chainsaw videos. And follow. And if you have any comments or questions, or maybe you ran one of these back in the day, or you run one now, let me know what you think about these saws, the 031 AVs. I've had a couple of them, and I love them. I mean, these old Stihls, you can't beat them. The old Huskies, you can't beat them. All this new stuff, I mean, you can pretty much just throw it away 5 minutes after buying it. And, you really wouldn't be doing anything, but a favor to yourself. So, yeah. So take care. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you bright and early later on. All right.